Right, there's one screw here somewhere.
The first step is undo the screw, which is a T25.
T25.
We are going to change this button to a new one.
Make sure it's screw. You should have a tool, but you don't need it. There's another T25 here. Another one here. That's done.
Okay.
This one can come out. And now, you take this one off somehow.
That's how you hot wire the car, yeah?
Yes. That's exactly how you hot wire the car. And this is here is your connectors. Ta-da!
Is that the new button? That looks cold, man.
Like this. The wires are different, bro.
Yeah. Why do you want to change the button anyway?
Because it's broken and sometimes it doesn't start from the first time.
This is OM part?
Yeah.
Oh, mashallah.
Plug the wires in
Hey.
because I'm pushing it. Come on. That's it. Test. Woohoo!
Yeehaw! Oh.
And that's, ladies and gentlemen, how you change the start and stop button on your Volkswagen cars.
Perfecto, mate. Perfecto.
Now just try to not mess up putting everything back. Screw going back in. And now this goes in here. So this in here. See? Like this.
Ah, yes.
And other side. Clip in. That's it. Job done almost. One more.
Oh yeah, the one underneath.
Inside here.
Congratulations, my friends. And this is how you change the start-stop button on your Skoda Superb. What is it? Skoda Superb.
Or any Volkswagen car.
Or any Volkswagen automobiles
With a keyless entry.
with the keyless entries. Anything else? Anything else, mate?
The night crew out. We're going
Wicked.
to sleep now.
Wicked, wicked, wicked.